Yes, see children, so here in the workbook, so we have completed the textbook now. So now see the workbook. So in the workbook, here we have understanding the text. What is the first part? Take the correct answer. Take the correct answer. So here some sentences they have given and options also they have given. So we should take the correct answers in this. What is this? In which class did Rohan study? In which class did Rohan study? Which class is he? Your class only. So are you in third class, fourth class, fifth class? Which class? Fourth, third, fifth. Which option? Very good. A, fourth. So tick it. So open your workbooks and tick the answers. Tell me answer and write down. Write down in your books. And for which competition had Rohan given his name? Rohan has given his name for competition. Na? Which competition is it? Is it drawing competition? Is it singing competition? Or is it extempore competition? So which competition? Very good. Extempore. Extempore. Right. And now see the next one. Who was helping him in practicing for the competition? So when he has given the name, someone helped him a lot for the competition. Who helped him? Mother and teacher. Mother and teacher helped him. They encouraged him. But who helped? Classmates. Classmates also encouraged him. But who helped? Parents and sister. So who helped him? His sister, right? Even parents also. That's why. So we go for the option C. Parents and sister. Okay. But maximum sister helped him for the competition especially. And now Rohan got a pat from his back, So Rohan got a pat on his back now. Who gave a pat on his back for encouraging? Who had given? That is who is that? Father, sister, mother. Yes, who encouraged him? Who said very good, congratulations? Yes, father. His father pat on his back and praised him. Now, who was Dr. Sharma? Yes. So this Rohan went to Dr. Sharma daily. Na? Who was that person? Either he is a speech therapist, dentist, pediatrist. So pediatrist means children doctor. Dentist means teeth. Speech therapist means speech practicing. Right? So who is that Dr. Sharma? Yes, this Rohan has a problem of speech. So then he went to the speech therapist Dr. Sharma. Right children? So take these answers like this. And then we can continue next topic. Note it down. Yes, see children, so the next topic we have in this, understanding the text only, answer the following questions. So total 5 questions they have given, one by one questions we can see. So see the first question. So what is the first question, tell me? So what problem was Rohan suffering from? What problem was Rohan suffering from? Okay children, so this is the first question. What is that? What problem was Rohan suffering from? What problem did he have? Yes, he has the problem of speech. That is a lack of speak, right? So speech problem he has. So write the answer in the sentence. Right. Answer. Rohan lacks. Lacks means not of money here. L-A-C-K-S. That means problem. Okay. L-A-K-H-S is the money. So Rohan lacks clear speech. Rohan lacks clear speech and stammers while speaking. Stammers while speaking. So while speaking he has the breaks na. So he gets some breaks in the speech. Right. So Rohan lacks clear speech and stammers while speaking. So that's the problem he has. So he is stammering problem often disheartens him. Disheartens him. His problem, his stammering problem often disheartens him. Disheartens means discourage, disappoint him. Right? So, see the question. What problem was Rohan suffering from? So, what problem does he have? Rohan lacks clear speech. Rohan lacks clear speech and stammers while speaking. Stammers means gets a break. So, in the speaking. So, stammers while speaking. So, his stammering problem often disheartens him. His stammering problem often disheartens him. Always he discourages himself, na? So, he worried about it. So, okay. And see the second question. So, tell me the second question. What do we have? Name the therapist. Name the therapist. Name the therapist who was treating Rohan. Who was treating Rohan, and so name the therapist who was treating Rohan. Who was treating Rohan? What is the name of the therapist? Yes, Mr. Sharma. And how did he help him? And how did he help him? How did he help him? So, how did he help him? That we have the question. So, tell me the answer for this. Answer, write down. Dr. Sharma was the speech therapist. Dr. Sharma was the speech therapist who was treating Rohan. Who was treating Rohan. Dr. Sharma was the speech therapist who was treating Rohan. Who was treating Rohan. Right. So, how did he help? That we should write now. Dr. Sharma has been guiding very patiently and helping Rohan. So, Dr. Sharma has been guiding very patiently and helping Rohan to overcome his problem. To overcome his problem with speech. To overcome his problem with speech. Okay, children. So, name the therapist who was treating Rohan. Dr. Sharma was the speech therapist who was treating Rohan. Right. So, how did he help him? So, and how did he help him? One more question also they asked in the same, na? That's why. Dr. Sharma has been guiding very patiently and helping Rohan to overcome his problem with speech. He has a speech problem, na? So, that how to overcome that he helped him a lot. Right, children? So, now see the third question. Yes, see the third question, what do we have? Name the people. Name the people. What do we have question? Tell me, read. Name the people who encouraged Rohan. Who encouraged Rohan for the competition. Name the people who encouraged Rohan for the competition. So who encouraged him? His father, his sister, his mother, his friends and his teacher also. But name the people they asked, na? So right answer. First, who encouraged him? Rohan's class teacher. First class teacher, right na? So Rohan's class teacher. What is her name? Mrs. Anu. So Rohan's class teacher, Mrs. Anu, and his friends, pals. Pals means best friends, na? Friends, pals, and his parents. His parents and sister. His parents and sister encouraged him for the competition. Yes, for the competition. So who encouraged him? Rohan's class teacher, her name is Mrs. Anu, and his friends, his pals, best friends, his parents and sister. Sister name is elder sister Kirti they have given, na? His parents and sister, and encouraged him for the competitions. All these people encouraged him for the competition, right? And see the fourth question, what do we have? What happened? What happened during the, yes, that is the question. What happened during the speech of Rohan? During the speech of Rohan. What happened during the speech of Rohan? He could not speak the word clearly, na? But later he spoke very confidently. So write the answer for this. As Rohan began his speech, as Rohan began his speech, as Rohan began his speech, he stammered a little bit. He stammered a little, but later on he became more and more confident. He became more and more confident. As Rohan began his speech. First he started his speech, na? He stammered a little bit. First he got a little bit of tension and he couldn't get the speech properly. But later on he became more and more confident. But later he completed that with very confidence, na? So that we can write. What happened during the speech of Rohan? As Rohan began his speech, he stammered a little bit. But later on he became more and more confident. Okay children, and See what happened during the speech of Rohan. So, as Rohan began his speech, he stammered a little, but later on he became more and more confident, right? But he couldn't speak one word now. That is also should write. What is that? He got stuck. He got stuck on the word. He got stuck on the word. What is that word? Perseverance. 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 Repeat that spelling. Perseverance. 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 Right? So perseverance. This word he got stuck na. But did not give up. But did not give up. But did not give up and ended his speech. And ended his speech. Ended his speech with full confidence. With full confidence. Okay. So, he got stuck on the word perseverance. Perseverance we call it. But did not give up and ended his speech with full confidence. So, with full confidence he completed his speech na. So, that we should write in this. During the speech they asked, that's why these 2 points we need to write. Okay children. Now see the next question. Yes, see children, so 5th question, what do we have? What happened after the speech of Rohan? So just before this we have completed during the speech of Rohan. Now what happened after the speech of Rohan? What happened? Everyone applauded na? That we should write it. So everyone applauded. Applauded. Spelling be careful. A-P-P-L-A-U-D-E-D. Applauded spelling. A-P-P-L-A-U-D-E-D. Everyone applauded Rohan after his speech. After his speech and was given a special prize. They have given na, and was given a special prize by the principal. Principal gave special prize to him na. Why? For trying too hard. For trying too hard. So very difficult task to him that he tried na. That's why special prize they have given to him. Right? And what happened later? One more. That evening, Rohan got a pat on his back. Pat on his back from his father. From his father. So by patting on his back, his father encouraged him na. This is also happened after his speech na. This point also we should write it. So everyone applauded Rohan after his speech and was given a special prize by the principal. Special prize by the principal for trying too hard. So he tried very hard, that's why he has given. And that evening Rohan got a pat on his back from his father. So for the encouragement, pat means not of beating here. So for the encouragement. Okay children, so these are the question answers. Then we can see grammar. Yes, see children, so here we have word search. So what do we have? Fill in the blanks to complete the words. So words are from the lesson. So purely from the lesson they have given. Those wherever possible, that words we should search it. What are the words they have given here? Extemper, yes, all we got in the lesson. Extemper, applauded, therapy, stammering, stuttering, disheartens, patiently, confidently, right? Extemper, applauded, all of you speak it up. So therapy, stammering, stuttering, disheartens, patiently, confidently. So these words they have given, that wherever possible, that we should find it. So first one you say yes dash a dash dash e dash I dash g. What is this? So stammering. So this is stammering. stammering. Right. So the lesson is about stammering, the main problem in this lesson. So stammering. Stammering spelling stammering. Stammering. Okay ma. See the second one. Yes, easily you can find it. A dash dash L dash U dash dash D. Yes, from that you can find it easily. Very good. Applauded. Spelling, tell me. APPLAUDED. 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 Okay. And see the next one. Dash H dash RA dash dash. What do we have? Yes, here speech therapy. Spelling THERAPY. 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 Spelling THERAPY. Therapy. Okay. And see the next one. C dash dash FID dash 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 dash. So total word they have given. Yes, a word started with C. But in the lesson, what do we have? Yes, he told very confidently. Spelling CONFIDENTLY. 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 Okay, children. And see the next one. E dash T dash dash P dash dash dash. So what do we have? So E, which starts with E, easily you can find. Yes, so the competition name is Extemper. Spelling EXTEMPORE. Extemper. EXTEMPORE. Extemper. Okay, children. And tell me this one. Dash IS dash 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 TE dash S. You can find it easily. Yes, very good. Disheartens. 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 Right. And see the next one. Yes, dash U dash dash ER dash dash dash. So what do we have? Stammering. Like that only we have the same word synonym for that. Stuttering. 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 So stammering synonym stuttering. 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 And see the last one. What do we have? What is left over? Very good. P dash T dash 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 TLY. How did the doctor respond? He told very patiently. 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 So see the spellings once again. Stammering. So all of you speak out. Stammering. Tell me the spelling. Stammering. Stammering. Next one, applauded. Spelling Applauded. Applauded. And next one, therapy. Spelling Therapy. Good. Next one, confidently. Spelling Confidently. Confidently. Next one, extemper. Extemper. Spelling Extempore. Extemper. And next one, disheartens. Disheartens. Spelling Disheartens. Disheartens. And next one is stuttering. Stuttering. Spelling Stuttering. Stuttering. And next one, patiently. Patiently. Spelling Patiently. Patiently. Okay, children? So read the spellings again. Learn all these spellings perfectly. Yes, see children, so the next one we have, write the antonyms of the following words. Antonyms, you know na, opposite words. Antonyms means opposite words. So what are the opposite words? Tell me answers. First one, encourage. So encourage. So what is the opposite word for that? Discourage. Encourage, opposite, discourage. Spelling Discourage. Discourage. Encourage, discourage. Okay, ma. And confidently. So very strongly. If we know, we say confidently. If we don't know about that, how do we say? Doubtfully. Right? Confidently. For that opposite word, doubtfully. Confidently. Opposite word, doubtfully. Okay, ma. And improvement. Improvement. So something we are changing ourselves. But not improvement, we call it decline. Improvement is not there, then we can call it decline. Decline. Okay. And carefully. So very carefully. Very care about it. Suppose if you don't care about it, what is that? Carelessly. Carelessly. Carefully. Carelessly. Okay, children. And support. So I am supporting you. If I don't support you, I am opposing you. Support, oppose. Support, oppose. Okay, children? Encourage, discourage. Confidently, doubtfully. Improvement, decline. And carefully, carelessly. Support, oppose. So these are the opposites. Note it down. Yes, see children, so the next one we have add en. En as a prefix to each word to make a new word. So prefix. Prefix means what? Prefix means before that word we should add. Suffix means end of that word we should add. Prefix means before that word we should add. Okay, ma. So prefix. So here what can we write? Yeah, very simple. Add for each word en in the starting and tell me the answer. Courage, by adding en, what it becomes? Very good. Encourage. Encourage. Sometimes same meaning we get it, sometimes different meaning also we get it. Courage means very brave, but encourage means we are supporting to do some work, right? So danger. So for this by adding en, endanger. That is endanger. Okay, next one, sure. And for this by adding en, tell me sentence word. Yes, ensure. Right. Next one, cash. So cash, money, normally. So encash. So by adding en, encash. Cash, encash. Okay. Next one, large. But enlarge. enlarge. Next one, rich, rich. For this we have that enrich. So by adding en we get enrich. Okay children, so for all these words we should add just en only to get the new word. So courage, encourage, danger, endanger, sure, ensure, cash, encash, large, enlarge, rich, enrich. See children, so we have in our next topic in our textbook, in workbook, writing skills. Writing skills. See that what do we have there? Writing skills. Many people may have the problem of stammering. Yes, most of the people have that problem. No? Yes, there are many speech therapists who can help these people to overcome it. So to overcome this problem, most of the speech therapists we have, right? But self-confidence is the most important quality that can help them to overcome this problem. Yes, even any doctors, number of ways they try it also. Without self-confidence, without practicing of ourselves, can we overcome that problem? Never at all. Right? So any problem if you get, everyone suggests us, everyone helps us. But without doing that work by us, can we solve that problem? No. Right? So write a few lines to improve this statement. So write your own sentences to improve this statement. So what is that? So I am telling you. So note it down all of you. So self-confidence makes them realize. Self-confidence makes them realize that they are not alone. So if we are very self-confident, we never feel alone anytime, right? And they can express their thoughts and feelings of joy, depth and effectiveness. So notwithstanding their stuttering. So notwithstanding their stuttering. So without any breaks. So continuously they can say. But that is practice very important and self-confidence is very important. So self-confidence makes them realize that they are not alone. Yes, if we have any problem we feel alone. But if we have self-confidence, yes, everyone there with us to help us, like that kind of feeling we get. Right? So, and they can express their thoughts and feelings. So, when we are not alone, we can express our feelings. That the same way, who has the problem, those people also can express their thoughts and feelings of joy, depth and effectiveness, notwithstanding their stuttering. So without any breakage, without any doubt, so they can express before others. So that kind of encouragement to get from the others means first we must be very self-confident. We must be very self-confident. Right children? So next point, self-confidence gives positive outcomes for young people. Self-confidence gives positive outcomes for young people who stutter, who has a doubt, low confidence, who has a problem. For them, it is a positive outcome, is very important. And effective communication helps to overcome their fear of speech. Effective communication helps to overcome their fear of speech. Not only stammering problem, any other people also who cannot speak before others. Number of times before your friends if you are speaking, then you can prove yourselves and you can give the public speeches also. That's why always we should be cooperate with our friends and we should be very confident first of all. Right children? So this is the life skills part, right? Writing skills part. And next we have life skills. So see that life skills part we have. Rohan had a problem of stammering which he was trying to overcome with the help of therapy. So Rohan has a problem, stammering problem he has. So he was trying to overcome with the help of therapy. So speech therapy he went. There are many people who cannot hear and speak at all. Yes, not only speech therapy, that is a stammering problem. so many people dumb and deaf, so they cannot hear, they cannot speak. So find the way how they communicate and talk with each other. So how can they communicate with each other? You suggest one way. So what is that? So first of all, people who cannot hear or speak use sign language to communicate with people. So that is a very important sign language. So we can, yes, they cannot hear and they cannot speak. So what can we do? So in the with the face expressions, with the hands, we can give the signals to them to understand, right? So sign languages are full-fledged natural languages with their own grammar and lexicon. So with their own grammar, so in our own way, so we can express, the people can express, we can understand, and for them also to understand, they cannot speak, that's why they cannot hear also. Then we also should give the signals, signs only, yes, like this, later. So this kind of expressions with our face and with our hands like this, if we give it, those people can understand, and if they give that kind of signs, we also can understand what they are going to tell. So but for this, any particular structure rules are there means? Not at all. So how the people can understand like this, we can give the signals. Okay children, so that is the life skills part. Okay ma, so hope enjoyed this lesson, and all of you read the lesson 2 to 3 times, then you can write all answers very easily. Learn the spellings properly. Okay children.